Hello everyone, come back to my channel. That one was flower sector. Remember that one motor working, but today change the motor, but no move it and with the access, but change that. But first the power off. After the access to bag, that's what the access to bag, that one screw, and one screw here, one screw here, and the cover cage, that one for motor. I will change that motor, and that one for socket. That one the water door here, the broken, but change the socket and motor. Electrical have the 120, the 1 gram, and power and white. I take that out. That on socket, and blue one, and that on socket. Okay. After the access for open the here, the sink, screw here to the screw, open the screw, after move them out. Another option that's not here, to screw, open the screw and move move the old model and install the new model here. Cover, safety cover for here. Now move that one and wiring the red, black, white, and go the one capacitor, the orange go the another wire for capacitor. Okay, move that one, they install the another one. But now install that one access for switch. That one has working now. That one access for switch, turn off, and everything now good. Check. Motor change, switch, connection change, that one.